Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the APtkdoe HD65 Wireless Earbuds. Featuring powerful audio, a secure and comfortable fit, reliable Bluetooth connectivity, and long-lasting battery life, these earbuds are designed to keep up with your music, calls, and workouts throughout the day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the APtkdoe HD65 Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. The flexible ear hook design ensures a firm, stable, and comfortable fit that keeps the earbuds securely in place during running, gym workouts, cycling, or daily activities. Its ergonomic structure is shaped to reduce ear pressure, making it suitable for long listening sessions without discomfort or slipping. These earbuds are tuned to deliver a rich stereo audio experience with clear highs, detailed mids, and enhanced bass response. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls, the sound remains balanced and immersive, providing a more enjoyable everyday listening experience. With stable Bluetooth connectivity, the earbuds offer quick pairing and consistent performance across smartphones, tablets, and other devices. This ensures smooth audio streaming with minimal delay, fewer dropouts, and reliable hands-free calling even in busy environments. Designed for extended usage, the earbuds provide multiple hours of continuous playback on a single charge. The compact charging case adds extra backup power, allowing you to recharge on the go and stay connected throughout the day without worrying about frequent charging. Technical specifications. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear tips that best fit your ears. The earbuds come with multiple sizes, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper seal not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the tip lightly seals the ear canal. You can make small adjustments by rotating or shifting the earbuds slightly until they feel snug and secure. This will prevent slipping and provide the best sound experience. How to pair? To pair the APtkdoe HD65 Wireless Earbuds, simply open the charging case and take the earbuds out. They will automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or device and look for HD65 in the available devices list. Tap on it to connect, and once paired, the earbuds will automatically reconnect whenever you use them again. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.